everyone, Saki here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a vlog sale. Now I do have a couple of items that I want to sell myself, including a Chanel handbag and then also a couple more of my affordable handbags. But I actually have a lot of my mom's handbags to sell. So I will be showing you guys those. These are bags you probably will never have seen before, but I will be going through like wear and tear and what it comes with. Now I won't be letting you guys know the price in this video because I do still have to do a little bit of research, but I will tell you the price we are selling everything for once you message me if you are interested. I take messages through Instagram and also through email if you don't have Instagram, but I definitely prefer an Instagram DM. And once you DM me, I'll go over everything with you again, including, you know, the details of everything, what it comes with, and I'll be able to send you pictures. And we can also discuss, you know, payment options. I will also be leaving a list of everything that I'm showing in this video and the availability, so you guys will know right away if it sells or if it's still available. So please check my description to see the available items before you message me. All right, we've got quite a bit of items to go through, so let's just get started. So the first item that we have is from YSL. So this is the YSL Small Loulou bag. It is not the mini size, it's the one a step above the mini, and she bought this one actually a couple of years ago, but it's still in really good condition. There is no corner wear at all. There might be some marks here and there, but I'm actually going to try and wipe those off because I do think that I'll be able to, but I'll do that before I take the pictures. So if you are interested in this bag, just make sure you look at the pictures very carefully to see if there's any, you know, blemishes that you're not okay with. But yeah, otherwise, like, the leather really has no wear at all. It is also in a silver hardware. This color is super beautiful. It's like a whitish grayish color. The inside is lined in fabric and there are two compartments with the zipper compartment in the middle. This bag is so popular right now, so I really hope that someone takes advantage of this sale and purchases this bag. The straps are also really cool because you can double it up like this, kind of like a Chanel classic flap, but then you can also make it a long crossbody as well, so it's very versatile. So this bag was purchased at Neiman Marcus and it will come with the dust bag only. Alright, the next item that I have to share with you is this Louis Vuitton wallet. So this is the, I actually don't know what it's called. It's a little bit older now. It's a full-size wallet like this, and it is a tri-folding wallet. I think it's either called the Emmeline or the Josephine, something like that. Yeah, it just opens up like this. You can put full-size bills in it. There's a coin compartment, and then the inside, of course, is rose ballerine. I think the rose ballerine with the monogram is super pretty. There's really like no wear and tear on this at all. The glazing still looks really good. The stitching looks really good. I don't think she used this one very much. And this one is a made in Spain one. So this one will come with the wallet, the dust bag, and then the box. Next, we're moving on to a couple of Chanel items. So the first item is going to be an SLG. This is actually a wallet, and it'll come with the box and the dust bag like you see here. And this is the boy tri-folding wallet. So it opens up like this. It's cool because it's like compact, but at the same time you can unfold it, and it has like a compartment for larger bills. There's also a little coin compartment right here as well. And the outside is made out of caviar leather, as you can see, but then the inside is smooth leather. It also does come with the authenticity card, and this is a 27 series. There's really no wear and tear on this one at all. I mean, the caviar leather is super durable, and then the inside looks really good as well. I don't see anything... Yeah, I don't see any like wear and tear at all. The hardware on the outside is an aged gold though, so as you can see right there. All right, next we have a Chanel bag. This is my mom's, and I think that this bag is really gorgeous. So it comes with the box and the dust bag, and this is the Chanel mini reissue in So Black hardware. So this one is like in an aged calfskin, like a lot of reissues are, but this is in the mini size. I just think that this bag is so gorgeous. I mean, you guys know that I don't really wear black very often, but when I was with her and she was buying this bag, I was totally encouraging her to because it's just so pretty, but she ended up really never using it. So yeah, it's in perfect condition. There's literally no wear and tear at all. The black hardware, there's just something so cool and edgy about it. I really love it. When you open it up, it's just one main compartment, and then this one is a 30 series. So this one will come full set. It does have the authenticity card and the receipt. Oh, she also has the tag in here as well. So yeah, you will get everything. I think that this bag is super rare. So if you are interested in this, please, please, please snatch it up right away. I don't think this one is gonna last long. All right, next we have a bigger Chanel bag. So this is the last one of my mom's items. So this comes with the dust bag and the box. And this is the medium Chanel boy in beige with the top handle. These top handle boys are so rare. I hardly ever see them on the secondhand market. It does have the shiny gold hardware. This is what the chain looks like. It's a stable chain, so you know most of the boy bags have like the chain that moves, but this one is just like it's stable with these little 2D rings because it does have this top handle. And then the inside just looks like a regular boy bag. So this is also a 27 series. It comes with the authenticity card and the tag and the receipt, along with the other things I was telling you about. It's, again, in immaculate condition. She never ever wore this. The inside literally doesn't have like any staining or signs of wear. And the outside is in perfect condition as well. I do believe this is a calfskin leather, but yeah, I think because it is calfskin, it has been a little bit more durable than lambskin. But then again, I don't know. I've never really seen her wear this bag. I think I saw her wear it like twice since she got it. So that is also why it's in immaculate condition. Oh my gosh, this bag is so beautiful. The beige color is super pretty as well. It's a little bit more on the like yellowy side. Like in comparison to beige clear, I think it's a little bit darker as well. But wow, what a stunning, stunning bag. So now this is the Chanel bag that I'm going to be selling from my collection, and it is the pink cocoa handle in python leather. So I gave this one a shot for about 2 years, and I still haven't been able to really wear it, although I do really, really, really do love it. I love the look of it and everything. I haven't been able to use it. I think it's because I'm a little bit more scared of the delicate leather than a lot of people. I don't know, like I was talking to one of my friends about it who has bags in python leather, and she was telling me that she has no problem with hers. Her name is Morgan Britt Butler if you follow her on Instagram or on YouTube, and she was giving me like care tips and everything as well, but I still like haven't been able to use this bag. This is in the I want to say it's small size, but now that there's like an extra mini size and a mini size, this bag seems large, but it is one step down from the largest size. So this one does come in, like I said, python leather. The handle is lambskin leather. The hardware is aged gold hardware. It still has the sticker on it. And then the inside is also all lambskin leather. It's in pretty good condition. Sorry, I've stuffed it for now. It does come with a shoulder strap as well that is removable. And yeah, the inside is in really, really good condition. There's just a little bit of indentation from like just the way the bag sits in the lambskin, but I think that's pretty normal. It's also a 25 series, so it does come with the authenticity card, and it also has the receipt and the like certificate. So when you do buy exotic leathers, you do have to get a certificate, and I do have that as well. So that is a very important aspect to having an exotic leather bag. This was purchased in Australia, but I actually purchased it through a really reliable consignment seller, Timeless Vogue, if you guys have ever heard of her. And this one will come with, like I said, the receipt, the certificate, the authenticity card, and then also the dust bag. And I do believe I have a Chanel box that fits this as well. This kind of breaks my heart to sell, but I really did give it a good old try before I made the decision that I want to sell it. So yeah, hopefully someone out there is interested in this bag. It's so gorgeous, but it's just Not for me, unfortunately. All right, next I'm going to be selling a couple of my more affordable handbags. So these ones are going to be priced pretty low. The first one is the Kate Spade Toujours bag. This is in the like pinky beige kind of leather. The wear and tear is pretty good, except for there is some corner wear and also wear on the base of the bag. On the inside though, it is lined in this dark red lining, so it's in pretty good condition. It does also come with a crossbody strap or a shoulder strap. It is adjustable, and I think that this is a really great work bag. I just have so many bags in this size already. I just need to get rid of some of them, so this is the one that I use the least. This one, I don't think it comes with anything. I might have a Kate Spade dust bag, but I will have to look for it, but otherwise you will just be getting the bag. Next I have this Kate Spade, it's a crossbody bag, but it also does have a top handle. Now this bag is cool because I will be including 2 flaps, so you can use it with this bunny flap, or you can pop on the original flap that it came with, so the bag just looks like this. The way that you pop the flaps in and out are that there are 2 little buttons in the back, so you'll just fasten the buttons on the flaps to the back. There is 1 back compartment, and then on the inside, I just removed the flap so that I can show you better. There is 1 slip compartment as well. It is in really, really good condition. I don't see really any flaws with it. There's 1 little scuff mark right here, but that's about it. This is like that like grained leather, so I think that's why it's in really good condition. And both of these straps are removable, so you can use it like this as a top handle, or you can use it as a crossbody as well. All right, and then the last bag that I'm going to be selling is this Teddy Blake bow bag. I don't actually know what the official name is, but I have had this one for a few years now. It's super cute. It's this like darker pink leather, and then the glazing is like this beautiful baby pink. It's also got this really pretty bow, and then the top part is made from a like suede leather. This is all leather. On the inside it just looks like this. There is also a crossbody strap that came with it, and it does have 1 little compartment in the front. The inside is also all that suede leather as well. So this is a really, really beautiful bag. I just don't find myself using this one. It's just a little bit too dark for me. The pink is a little bit more muted. I think some people will really like that, but personally, you guys know that I like to go full on pink, so that is why I hardly use it. But yeah, just a really, really beautiful bag. All right, so that was all for my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Like I said, please DM me on Instagram or email me if you don't have an Instagram, so we can talk all about price and I can send you pictures and everything like that. Also, don't forget to check out the description to see what is still available. And if you do have any just like general questions, you can type them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to get to them. Yeah, thank you guys so much. I hope that you guys enjoyed one of these handbags, and hopefully one of them will make their way to your collection. If you did like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do vlog sales a couple of times a year, so stay tuned. There might be some more this year coming. And I will see you next time. Bye!
Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright.